Hello guys and welcome to our channel. Today I'm going to show you a few tips to do if you cannot find your Bluetooth accessory on the POCO C50. So when I have a problem with my headphones, I'm always starting from the simplest way. Just open the top menu, hold the finger on the Bluetooth icon and just switch it off and switch it on again to restart the Bluetooth connection. You can also try to restart your phone by holding the power button and just choose reboot. You can also try to reboot your Bluetooth accessory. After that, at the start, you have to be sure that your Bluetooth accessory is visible for other devices and you have activated a pyro mode. How to do it you will find in the manual instruction or maybe on your YouTube channel. In my case, I have to click 3 times this button and my headphones starting in the pyro mode. Sometimes you have to push the button for a few seconds, for example. You have to check it by yourself. So if you are sure that your Bluetooth accessory is in the pyro mode and it should be visible for other devices, but not on your phone, you can also try go to the settings, choose connection and sharing, and tap on the reset Wi-Fi mobile networks and Bluetooth. Just click reset settings, click OK, and look for your device again. After that, you can also try to update your system. Just go to the Apple phone and tap on the MIUI version. If you have any update, just install it. And the last recommendation from me, just check your Bluetooth Bluetooth accessory and your phone on other Bluetooth device to check which one is visible and which one making a problem here. That's it. Thanks for the watching. Leave us a subscribe or a comment, and goodbye.